Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Quarantine Cooking. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of cooking something together, we're going to do a little science experiment that might help our wallets down the line. In honor of today being my science class, we're going to do a science experiment, like I just said. We're going to employ the scientific method, something I'm learning for the 5th time in my college career now, because every science class teaches it to you for the first week. Yeah, let's get down to business. Here we go. We have Bologna, which is the cheapest brand you can get, at least in my part of the country / world. This costs like 98 cents, about. Then we have the Oscar Mayer, which is almost twice as much money. Or no, it's more than twice as much. I think it was like 2 something. This was 98 cents. This was 2 and change. This has, come on, focus, you dumb thing. Chicken with pork added. This is chicken and pork, beef added. This one is 16 ounces and this one's 12, so it's a little bit bigger. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make, I don't wanna eat 4 sandwiches today, so I'm gonna make half a sandwich with this, half a sandwich with that. Try to do a blind taste test, and then make a delicious fried bologna sandwich afterwards, because those are good. I guess I do want to teach you how to cook something, even if it's just fried bologna. All right, so here we go. So I'm sure you all know how to do this, but it would be weird to skip steps, right? Put the mayo on here, just enough to coat the whole thing. You don't want it to be too thick. I mean, maybe you do. I don't, but maybe you do. Do whatever, do you know. That's my motto. You do you. On both sides. I do like it a little bit thicker on one side than the other. Reason for that is this is basically the glue to hold the sandwich together. It does have, flavor and texture and whatnot, but the mayo, or the mustard, has more flavor. It's the stronger tasting condiment. These look like they have the same amount of mayonnaise on. I don't care, whatever. Then we got like a mayo mustard type deal here. And now I can't stick this back in there because it has mustard on it. Actually, it's my house and I can. Don't do that though if you live with people. That's just rude and wrong. Frankly, it's wrong. Like I said, in hopes of not eating a bunch of sandwiches, I already had my smoothie and stuff. I don't even want this, but it's my job. I'm only making one, so I'm gonna use half a slice of each on this. This is the Oscar Mayer. It has some more marks on it. Is that meat? I don't know. I mean, it is meat, right? But why are those spots there? This one not as much. Also has the thing on it. I'm gonna take that off, obviously, but that's how I can tell them apart right now. Okay, so I have Bar S, Oscar Mayer. Bar S, Oscar Mayer. So we'll go Bar S, Oscar Mayer. Oh, there are defining features on these bad boys. So I'm gonna, okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Hi, all right, so I'm gonna look at the camera and I'm gonna flip them over so I don't know what they look like on the other side. And then I'm gonna spin the plate around a bunch of times. Okay, all right. All right, so I don't know which one's which now. Yes, I have no idea. That's awesome. If I thought really hard, I could probably figure it out, but I don't want to do that. That defeats the whole purpose.
Hello. I have my headphones on because technically class starts in 4 minutes. I don't see a link to the Zoom meeting for the lecture. There is one scheduled today. Oh well. I got my own science to do. Alright. So I don't remember which is which. Or why don't we, I guess we'll have to get back to our classic angle of me sitting on the floor. Ugh. God. Older than I used to be. I think this is the Oscar Mayer one because I have eaten the Bar S a lot. I kind of know what it tastes like. This tastes different. Alright, cover up that. Okay. I think this one is better. The other one didn't have as much flavor. Like, neither of them are good. Cover that up again. Yeah, that one has more flavor, definitely. This one isn't bad, though. I guess I should have, if we're doing science, should have formed a hypothesis and whatnot. It's a good thing to go over the scientific method every class because I get I get it, but the actual, the formal laying out of it all, I can't do. I'm not good at that. To make an observation, these things cost different and have different ingredients and made by different companies. Form a hypothesis, one of them will be of higher quality and will taste better. Make a prediction. I think the Oscar Mayer will taste better because it uses better ingredients, and not because it costs more, but you know, we'll see where the cost goes. And now we're testing that hypothesis, or we're testing the hypothesis. We'll see if it lines up with my prediction. I mean, it's hard to decide what's the lesser of two evils, you know? Because, I mean, I like bologna as much as the next guy, but the next guy doesn't like it that much. It's okay. It's a cheap lunch meat. It's easy to prepare, and I'm sure there is good bologna out there, but these two are just... They're basically the same. I guess that's my point, is that the difference is negligible. You might as well buy the cheap one. Unless you're more concerned about what's inside of it. Taste-wise, they're about the same. This one does taste a little bit... You could taste this one more. This one tastes more like bread and mustard and stuff. This one tastes like that, but you can definitely notice the meat more. Let's see. This one was... Bobbeh-D! What? The cheap one. I didn't expect that. That's cool. Good job, Bobbeh-D. Huh. Well, I'll make a fried bologna. See what's up. Alright. We'll go make that, and I'll meet you back here. Well, I'll meet you over there in the kitchen.
Hi, I'm in class, and they can't hear me, but I still feel weird talking. But I'm gonna make the video anyway. Alright, so we have 2 slices of bread. It's a little bit nicer than the other stuff was. Slice of American, slice of cheddar. I'll put the bologna on that. Then okay. Then the butter. Okay. I'm gonna stop the camera for this. Okay. So this is probably not hot enough, but whatever. Yeah, no noise. That's okay. So take this off. Butter the other side here. Alright. Alright, so I use unsalted butter. So I'm going to use a pinch of salt on this side of the butter, or the bread. Set that right there. I've never done that before. Just going to wait for this to cook a little bit more. And bologna likes to bow out, so squish it down. So you want to get a good cooking. Yeah, they scream. It's scary. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about actually. Oh, frick. Frick! Ah, that's good. Alright. This looks like one of those like frozen like breakfast sandwiches, the cheese on those. This is actually good cheese though. This is the cheddar. I think the bottom's actually cooked pretty well. Yeah, look at that. Not burnt. A little close there, but not. Just a nice, even, almost even. Good crispiness there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And this will be done in a minute. The bologna helps melt the cheese on the inside. Alright, pulled it out. Looks good. I mean, it doesn't need to rest. I do like to let everything rest a little bit. But this is fine now. Yeah, baby. Actually looks pretty good. Presentation counts.
Hi, it's still in class. I can see the lecture now, though. Talk about evolution and stuff. Alright, fried bologna. I forget which bologna's which. Oh, wait. Let's do the... It's good. I don't have a whole lot to say. Stay in school, kids.
Hello, everyone. I did my science homework, I ate that food, I edited the video, and now I'm recording the outro. It's 5 o'clock. I started all this at about 11, I guess, 10:30. I did my laundry. I did talk on the phone for a while, so I took a break. You gotta take breaks for yourself. You're important. You matter. That's all I want to say. I'm tired. I don't want to go nuts right now. I don't want to have to edit for another hour. I want to put this video up now. So I'm just going to say, you're great. I love you. You need to love yourself. Doesn't matter if I love you, because you gotta do it, you know? You deserve it. Just keep it up. Keep on keeping on. Platitudes, what are the other things called? What things that people say? Just imagine me saying all those cliches. Platitudes and cliches coming at you. Just keep it up, and I'll talk to you Friday. Hey, I got a few days off. That's awesome. I actually have a business meeting tomorrow via intranet. But, yes. Share, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Enjoy more videos. Enjoy yourself. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Love you.